Should you sell your home or turn it into a rental property? There are two main ways for homeowners to get value out of their current properties. First, you can sell the home and get your equity out of it. However, there is a less conventional strategy that is becoming more popular in our area, and that is converting your primary residence into a rental. But how do you go about converting your primary residence into a rental? First, you need to speak with your lender. If you haven't paid off your mortgage, you typically can't use a primary residence loan for investment purposes. So you may have to change the terms of your mortgage or wait until it is paid in full. Also, you must have lived in your home for at least 12 months before converting it into a rental. Finally, you will need to check local and HOA regulations to make sure that it's legal for you to convert your home into a rental. There are fantastic pros to converting your primary residence into a rental. For example, you'll have a steady stream of passive income that you can use to invest in other areas. Rents have been rising all over the country, so you might be able to make more money from your rental than you think. There are many tax benefits as well to rentals, the most important one being the depreciation expense. This is an exception for general wear and tear, and it could make all your rental income tax-free. So if you'd like to learn more about how this exception works, reach out to me or your lender for more details. Unfortunately, there are some cons to turning your primary residence into a rental. Maintaining a rental can be a full-time job unless you pay a property management company to do it for you. Also, you forfeit the ability to exempt yourself from capital gain taxes when you eventually sell. But you can get around this using a 1031 exchange, but you have to use the funds to purchase another invested property, so your options are limited.